Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you want to remove Reels from your Instagram watch history, you can easily delete them from the recently watched list. This is helpful if you want to clear your activity or remove specific Reels from your watch history. Now let me show you how to delete watch history on Instagram. First, open Instagram on your phone. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. From the menu, tap on your activity. Scroll down and tap on Watch History. Here you will see the Reels that you recently watched. To remove Reels from this list, tap on Select at the top right corner. Now choose the Reels you want to delete from your watch history. After selecting them, tap on Delete. The selected Reels will now be removed from your watch history. You can repeat the same steps anytime if you want to clear more Reels from the list. That is how you delete watch history and clear recently watched Reels on Instagram. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro for more quick Instagram troubleshooting tutorials.